Yo, what's up guys, my name is Marian and today we're gonna be unboxing a mouse. My new mouse, my first wireless mouse. I don't want to break something. Oh, we have batteries included. That's good. Included batteries. Oh, and here's the mouse. It's actually pretty cool. I don't know what should I do with these batteries because it's my first. Anyway, I got a new Nerf, my first Nerf, yesterday because it was my birthday. Oh, and as you can see now my face because it's a face revolve. What's this? Alright. I have used some batteries. I don't. I brought this from Naria. So, because right now I'm in Romania. Enter straight right to the balcony. Well, look, you can see Romania Botoșani. Like that is announced in Romania because I know Romanian pretty good. Not pretty good. I'm master at this. I mean, look at this. Cars and everything. People. Whoop. I think that's all for the episode. Subscribe to my channel. I didn't put an intro. Sorry, on my unboxing videos, I won't put intros because around my gaming, only on like my gaming videos, I'm putting them. So subscribe and make sure to join the Supreme Squad by subscribing and like the video.